Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We want to practice the major scale with the song God is Good by Jonathan McReynolds. May your struggle I've even forgotten the lyrics. So you can follow my fingers. So start with start with 3. 1, 5, 6, 5, 3. 1, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. F. The 6 on the top. 6, 5, 6, 1, 1, 7, 1. So may your struggles may your battles through the unique God and the way they show. May your whole life prove that God is good. May your struggles keep you up. May your struggle keep you near the cross. May your wounds show that you need God. May your battles and the way they show. Your whole life prove that God is good. Your whole life prove that God is good. If you realize I added the A minor scale. Yeah, so that's it for the practice, and keep on practicing and you become better. Yeah, thank you. See you next time in my videos. Bye.